So hello everyone, welcome back to my day 40. Today's topic is nothing. Today we speak randomly. This is day 40 of our speaking English challenge. Let's I do practice. Today's I am here at my homes in my village, and right now I am here in my farmhouse. Farmhouse in here you can see there is many jowar and this makka and I'm standing in between my farmhouse and and I saw you. This is my village. This is my farmhouse environments. In this is the sky. Sky right now is a very rainy motions, and I think I will become. I think maybe come to the rain. So let's we see the is will come to the rain or not come to the rain. Today's weather is a very cool. I like this type of weather because in this weather everyone feels very good. And now I see you. This is my mom. See, he is doing some work and clean the my farmhouse in some others grass because this grass are because this grass is doing puzzles. This maccas and jowars are very uninterrupted in growing this growing. So she is doing hard clean this farmhouse. Okay, so now I see you. Yesterday I was taking nibu lemons for the. So you can see I take this nibus for the here because and this nibus have already nibu lemons. So I think when we'll have a complete this nibus 1 month, then after I think have more nibus. This nibu you can see this already have a nibus like you. And when so this is have a names for the. I don't know what is for the. I will be search in Google's what is for the in English, but right now I don't know. So that's why I'm speaking for the in in Hindi in for the. I don't have a more confidence because right now I don't know more in English, but I will be know more about in English. Any right now many like I don't know what is jowars, but I so that's why I say jowars in Hindi jowars. So if I think you don't have any problems, I say jowars to jowars. So okay. Do you know which pot which seeds have this for the? This is a tills for the. So